One of the biggest trading lessons I ever learned, if not the biggest trading lesson I ever had, was to understand that my individual stock trades don't operate in a vacuum. They're really mostly moving in line with what the big major indexes are doing, like the S&P and the Dow and the Nasdaq. Understanding what those guys are doing gives you a clue as to why your individual trades are acting the way they are. Your individual stock trades are like ships on the ocean of the major market indexes, so you need to know the tide and current of the market to successfully navigate your way to trading profits. Are we in a bull market or a bear market? What will happen to your trades this week? Don't get caught out and don't miss out. To understand the charts you're about to see, get your free video course and manual, plus many other free bonuses at stockgossipfilter.com. Now let's begin the show. So welcome to another weekly update. First of all, let's just kick off and cut to the chase with the new system I've got to make it much simpler and quicker for you, so you get the summary first. So here we are for the big picture view. It's still a fox market which is transitioning, and I'm just waiting for a little bit more of an uptrend in the 40-week moving average before that happens. And like I was saying, for the last few weeks now, that correction coming right about now would be actually pretty close to on cue. And the short picture, the small picture for the week ahead, we've got a new scale system where it's going to be on the bullish or bearish side, because it's not so black and white, so this is the new system we're going to go with now. We're going to go with a bull bear scale, and as you can see now, that's tipped the scales into the last few days of action. Definitely tipped those scales over into the bearish side, and like I say, for weeks now, it's been a long time coming, and it's almost a relief, because it was unsustainable, this hanging up in the middle air there, the Dow transports, the boring old Dow transports carrying on, where's the chart, carrying us on as if it's a penny stock or something. That's unsustainable. It has to come down. Now the big question is, well, how far is she going to fall? I think that's probably going to be, if I had to make a guess, and I would like it to be a nice healthy correction to somewhere around the 4,200 mark on the S&P 500 over the next few weeks, and we'll see how steady that adjustment is. All the other indicators now are starting to call off, get some relief here. This would be a healthy thing, like I keep saying. You see the volatility index, that spiked this week, understandably, and we're into a full moon cycle, so everything's coming right on cue for that action coming up. And I'm looking forward to declaring a brand new bull market sometime in September. But there's, like I've been saying, there's always that shakeout first that always in the history of using this system puts me in doubt about, well, is it really a buy signal? And that's how I know from experience that is always a good thing. There's some sort of correction. I'm just going through other charts here to see anything else that might be of interest, but all is really as expected for the week ahead. Understandably, forex traders should know that the dollar's making a rebound. That will be a short-term thing as well, looking at that chart. So that's all for this week. I'll speak to you next time. I appreciate you giving this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe, or you could miss an important market call. Next up, a free webinar, how to read stock charts and trade stocks, so you'll know what I'm looking at each week and why, as well as be able to trade your own stocks. I'll speak to you next week.